I'm Christina. I'm an early childhood educator and a big fan of the PBS Kids series, Work It Out Wombats. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Work It Out at Your Library, a new, free library program that helps preschool families explore computational thinking using an app with animated Wombats videos and hands-on CT activities inspired by the TV show. Millions of kids watch Work It Out Wombats every week, making it a great way to attract families to the program. Work It Out Wombats follows the adventures of three playful siblings, Zeke, Zadie, and Malik. They live with their grandmother, Super, in the Treeborhood, a fantastical treehouse apartment complex that's home to a diverse community of animal neighbors. Every day, the Wombats and their friends use computational thinking to solve problems. Computational thinking, or CT for short, is a creative way of thinking that helps children solve problems in more organized ways, using a toolbox of skills from computer science. It prepares children for success in school and in life right from the start. The Work It Out at Your Library program brings the fun of CT learning to families at your library and includes 4 3-week units. Here's how each unit of the program works. Week 1. You'll hold a welcome session for families to learn about CT. You'll download the app, and then you'll try out the first hands-on activity together. Next, families continue the fun and learning at home by watching Wombats animated videos and doing hands-on activities guided by the app. Week 2. Families will come back to the library for a CT storytime session and to get answers to their questions. Week 3. Families will again return to the library to do a final hands-on activity together and share and celebrate what they learned at home.
You did it!
All 4 units of Work It Out at Your Library follow this model. Feel free to adapt the length of the program to fit your programming needs. Work It Out at Your Library includes all the resources you'll need to lead families through each session. Guides for library workers and families, printable activities, slide decks, and materials to set up a CT corner. There are also videos for parents to learn more about the program and computational thinking. You can find the Work It Out at Your Library program at pbslearningmedia.org. The free Work It Out Wombats family app is available for Apple and Android phones and is designed so that it can be used with limited internet access and a wide range of phones. Use Work It Out at Your Library to help children and families solve problems with CT.